Welcome to episode 6 of the Cortina build, and tonight we're going to be taking all this factory sound deadening out and we're going to be using dry ice. Something I've been pretty keen to try for a while, so let's crack open the esky and get stuck into it. How you going, everyone? I'm going to try and keep the talking to a minimum in this video, but we'll just focus on some of the important things that come up through me trying this process, the stuff that I learned along the way, and then after that we'll just let the footage run, sit back, hope you enjoy. Bit of an elephant in the room. I'm obviously not wearing any gloves. It's alright, we're all adults here. Just use your brain, exercise some caution, make no mistake, this stuff is super cold. That is more like it.